TrustedSignals.
What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over Ethereum, how to do top-down analysis, a proven strategy that if applied correctly with Trusted Signals, you will be able to flip accounts. And two, the Ethereum settings that I use with Trusted Signals. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Trusted Signals, let's go! All right, let's go ahead and dive into this. The first thing I want to go over is top-down analysis. What does that mean? That means going through all the time frames. Let's start with the monthly. We already have this zone that was created by Trusted Signals as an auto resistance line. So we're going to find areas like these and do the same. I like to use my horizontal ray, and here it is. So I'm just going to mark this one up. We're going to do another one here that's very clear. You could see the rejection that happened here and it became support there. Now the next area that is very clear to see is right here, and the next area that is clear to see is right here, and might as well do the top. All right, now that we have our monthly zones, let's go ahead onto the daily, and we're going to repeat the same again. And this time we're going to go ahead and use the boxes. I see one there, here, there. Okay, and now the 4 hours. So the reason why I'm doing this is to get an idea of these major zones where you could find major support and resistance. The reason why I'm doing this is so that way we can see these major zones like these on the higher time frame, and then when we zoom in, we can then look for signals that goes with our trading rules. One of the rules that you should think of is never selling at the bottom and never buying at the top. So having that as a key element, you're already going to have the upper hand, knowing that you're going to be looking for a sell signal right around here. This is the 4 hour, and you could see that on the daily there was a solid channel between here and here. Now for an example, using that mindset, having your major support and resistance drawn out before you go into the trade, let's go see what it looks like in a live setup example. So I'm just gonna say right here and go ahead and press play. So now we're seeing price hit this high zone of our daily that we marked up. It's hitting the resistance line on Trusted Signals, which was automatically created, and boom, we have a sell signal. Now, this is a perfect setup. We're waiting for price to reach either those high points of the market or low points of the market. And at this case, we're at a high point of the market. It is in the top zone between the bottom and the top that we drew out in the daily, and we could see in the 4 hour, it's created a resistance line and a sell signal. On top of that, overbought here in the RSI. We had a little bearish divergence in the past. Let's go ahead and short. You could either short this as a margin trade, or you could simply sell a percentage of your Ethereum. In this case, I'm going to do a sell example, and I'm looking to take profits at the bottom of this channel and use this area as a level of partial taking, closing a percentage of my position, securing the bag, and then putting my stop in profit. This is something that I always speak about in my videos, and it works for me. So I'm just letting you know what works for me, and I hope that you could add it to your trading style as well. So let's go ahead, hit play, and see what it looks like. Boom, just like that. Just like that. And the TP smashes. So what do you want to do? You want to stay away from the charts when the setup is not clear and wait for the market to go to those levels that you marked up. Start at the monthly and work your way down. Now let's talk about the settings for Ethereum. All right, the settings I have here are these. I have my V2 script version. I have it on manual, 1.8 as my reactivity, and 3 as my depth. Another thing that I always have on is my auto support and resistance, which is shown right here. And the rest of the things, I'm toggling them on and off, seeing what it says and keeping my chart fairly clean. But this is my go-to with Ethereum. When I'm trading Ethereum and when I'm dialed in on this chart, I go ahead and put these settings in. So feel free to try these settings out for yourself. And please do drop in the comments how it works for you, because we love to see the profits in the comments. So just a short recap, remember to do that top-down analysis. Start in the monthly, make your support and resistance lines, do it in the daily, do it in the 4-hour, and wait till you see price coming up to those areas and take the signal that goes with the direction of the market, meaning selling at the top and buying at the bottom. Thank you so much, Trusted Signals. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a trade system to improve their trading. Once again, Trusted Signals, let's go!